Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the equation of an exponential through 2 points with a horizontal asymptote other than 0. Write an equation for the exponential function with a horizontal axis at y equals 10 and passing through the points 3, 12.5 and 4, 11.25. To start this problem, we want to recognize the general equation for an exponential function, which is this: y equals a times b to the x power plus k. In this video, we're going to work with 2 points and an asymptote that is other than 0. If you want to look at a video where the asymptote's at 0, a little bit easier of a problem, you can check down below in the description. Let's get back to this. To get started, we need to recognize that these are x and y values. So I'm going to quick label those. And here is my horizontal asymptote. What I'm going to do is set up a system of equations to solve this. And I'm going to work with the x value that's larger, and I'll explain why in just a moment. So I'm going to plug these x and y values with this asymptote at 10 into this, and I'll make sure that all the colors match. I'm going to do the same thing with this x and y value with this asymptote as well. All right, we're all set up here. So the first thing we need to recognize is that if I want to do any sort of elimination to get rid of these a's or b values, I can undo that with multiplication. However, I cannot do it with these addition signs in here, because if I drew a division sign through here right now, I can't undo addition with division. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by subtracting this 10 off of each side. So I'm just going to take 11.25 minus the 10 and the 12.5 minus the 10. So that leaves me with this. Now that this is a multiplication problem, I can undo it with division. So I'm going to draw a division bar through here. The whole reason I did this is because I'm able to eliminate the a's, because a divided by a is 1. The reason I used the x value that was higher, the 4, is because when I have exponents that are divided, I subtract the exponents. And if I had the 3 on top, I've had 3 minus 4, and that's b to the negative 1. And I don't like to work with negative exponents. I don't know about you. But this way, it helps me deal with b to the first power, or just b. 1.25 divided by 2.5 is 0.5. So I've solved for the b parameter. To get the a parameter, I'm going to plug b into either one of these equations to solve for that. So I'm going to plug it into the second one. So I have 2.5 equals a times 0.5 to the third power. And I'm just going to do some simplification. 2.5 equals a times 0.125, because that's 0.5 cubed. And then to get the a all by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.125. And so I'm left with a equals, and I divide this out, it's 20. I have the 2 parameters I need for this equation. I have a, which is 20, b, which is 0.5, and the problem gave me y equals 10. So let's put that all together to get the equation. The equation that goes through these 2 points and has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 10 is y equals 20 times 0.5 to the x plus 20. I hope this helped you find the exponential equation through 2 points with the horizontal asymptote. Have a great day.